thought that the ordinary malunggay leaves can become a highly and commercially viable product. Malunggay or moringa has long been known to be a rich source of vitamin, with breastfeeding mothers increasing their consumption of malunggay leaves to increase their milk production. With the increasing boom in health products, the demand for malunggay leaves has similarly grown and is now being processed into powder form and is sold in the market either in capsule or packed in pouches. The estimated investment cost per hectare is 100,000 pesos with working capital of only 3,000 pesos. The net income before tax on the first year is 19,000 pesos and is projected to increase on the second year at 27,000 pesos. The return on investment is computed at 26% with a payback period of 3 years and 6 months. What better way to turn idle lands into profitable businesses? Invest in moringa leaves production now. Come to the nearest negosyo center in your place or visit us at www.negosocenter.net.